Given question is asked in GATE CSE 2003. They have given three statements and asked which of the following claims are correct. Okay. So if you see the first claim, what they have said is n plus k to the power m equal to theta n to the power m. So here theta and big O are, these are asymptotic notations. Okay. So here k and m are constants. If k and m are constants, so if you see here n plus k, okay, n plus k to the power m, here they have given theta notation. So according to theta notation, these two functions should be asymptotically equal. Okay. So if you see here, because they have said k and m are constant, so we can neglect k here. So it can be written as n to the power m. Okay. So we can write it as theta of n to the power m. Okay. So this first statement is a correct claim. Okay. This could be a correct statement. Here in second, they have given 2 to the power n plus 1. Okay. So if we see 2 to the power n plus 1. Okay. So it can be written as 2 to the power n into 2. Okay. So big O notation says this right side function should be greater or equal to this left side function. Okay. So we can write it as big O of 2 to the power n. Okay. Why? Because 2 is constant, so we can neglect here. Okay. So this is asymptotically equal. Okay. So we can write it as big O of 2 to the power n. Now, so this first and second statement are correct. Now let us see this third statement. Okay. So what this third statement saying, 2 to the power 2n plus 1. Okay. This can be written as 2 to the power 2n into 2. So if we neglect this 2 because of constant, so we can write it as big O of 2 to the power 2n. Okay. But they have given big O of 2 to the power n. Okay. 2 to the power n will definitely be less than this 2 to the power 2n. Okay. So this third statement cannot be correct. So our correct claim could be first and second. So correct option is option A. I hope you got the answer. Thank you.